Hey guys, if you're looking for a personalized and cute gift for the end of the year for one of your teachers, this is a must. It is a create your own photo frame kit. It comes with the blank photo frame. It comes with the paint brushes, and these glitter pins to add little accents to your images. It is so cute. And if you decide that you don't want to use paint, it is versatile enough to where you can give your kids some markers like I did, and it comes out cute, bright, fun. Just a really cute gift for the end of the year to show your appreciation to those teachers who's worked so hard with your kids. We made these for my daughter's dance teachers, so I'm pairing them with a choreography journal that's been personalized. I found them on Etsy. And then I'm probably going to pair them with some sort of coffee gift card. These frames are the perfect standalone gift, but if you want to add any sweet additions to them, you could always add flowers, gift cards, or candy.